There was a boy named Arjun who loved playing cricket more than anything in the world. His dream was to wear the national team jersey one day. Every morning, he woke up before sunrise, practiced batting and bowling for hours, and watched his favorite players to learn from them. But life wasn't easy for Arjun. Every time there were school selections, he was rejected. His friends laughed and said, "You'll never make it." Arjun felt crushed. One evening, he sat quietly with his bat and thought, "Maybe they're right. Maybe I'm just not good enough." Just then, his grandfather came and said, "Arjun, do you know what makes a winner? It's not talent. It's the courage to keep trying when others give up." Those words lit a fire in his heart. From that day, Arjun practiced even harder. He worked on his weaknesses, improved his timing, and never missed a single day of training. Months later, there was another selection match. Arjun walked to the crease with determination. This time, he played the best innings of his life, hitting boundaries, running fast, and staying focused till the end. When the results were announced, his name was at the top of the list. He had finally made it. Arjun's eyes filled with tears of joy. He realized that success doesn't come to those who quit. It comes to those who never give up, no matter how many times they fail.